Which goal should we select for maximum conversions while creating a campaign for interior decorator? Lead form submissions, lead calls, or estimate requests or contacts? Well, it really depends on what the call to action is on your landing page. So obviously you got the leads. The form is leads, or if you want them to call, make a call. So that's a different call to action than submitting a form. Lead calls or the calls are the best type or form of leads because somebody is calling you or your business. They're on the phone to you. You have the opportunity to close or convert that lead. Whereas when someone sends in a form, then it's the case of toing and froing when you get them on the call. What I would recommend is use something like uh, an app like Calendly, where you put it on your website or landing page and let the visitor book their appointment in the calendar. So you and them both know what time and what date the appointment is. Because when you try and call them, they may be in an office or on holiday or time off work or whatever. So that's what I would do. So you can have all of these as conversion goals, right? So you can have a lead form submission, you can have a lead calls, you can have booked appointments or request for quotations. Depends on how you've set up your landing page.